Switchblade spark, needles buzzing in the belly of the dark. Black leather jackets in the cheap motel grand. Everybody wearing well, they've already been smoking the hallway, beer on the floor. Old school chopper parked outside the door. Girl with the serpent tattooed down her spine, caught a laughing once, froze it in time. It just shakes and rolls. Every scar got a rhythm, every tattoo got soul. Under neon, sweat under light, dirty little stories burning through the night. I keep chasing faces through the smoke and chrome, trying to find the heartbeat underneath the tone. Everybody's broken, everybody glows at the tattoo show. At the tattoo show. Old punk rocker with a skull on his hand. Young kid dreaming with a camera strap tan. Machine gun rhythm from the artist's chair. Truth hits harder when the skin lays bare. Baseline bumping like a downtown train. Rain on the windows, whiskey in the veins. Some people hide and some people bleed. Some people turn their pain into ink you can read. And the flash keeps hitting like a midnight hymn. I ain't shooting pictures, I'm catching life with it. Under neon sun. Chasing shadows with a broken lens grin. Everybody losing everybody's restless, everybody knows at the tattoo show. At the tattoo show. Kick drum, heartbeat, street life soul. Everybody looking for a place to feel whole.